Tesla Stocks Explained. Hello, and welcome to our channel, Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. Since going public in 2010, Tesla's stock has increased by more than 20,000%. Whether you like it or not, there's no doubting that Tesla's stock is on the rise. So, in today's video, I'll tell you some pretty interesting and informative facts about Tesla's stocks that will truly inspire you. Sit back, relax, and keep watching. Since going public in 2010, the company's stock has increased by more than 20,000%, comfortably surpassing the market as a whole, routinely outperforming Wall Street's projections, and turning early investors into millionaires. It would be an understatement to suggest that the rate of expansion is unusual. Tesla's stock price has increased by more than 7,000% in the previous year, gratifying Tesla's investors and ardent followers while leaving many seasoned Wall Street experts perplexed. Over the span of Tesla's historic 2020 climb, short sellers lost $38 billion. Tesla has risen above and beyond Goliaths like Toyota and Ford as the world's most valuable automotive manufacturer as a result of its meteoric rise. It has also made Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO for the past 13 years, and the richest person on the planet due to his large ownership of the firm. Tesla's rally to end all rallies. There are a number of causes fueling Tesla's rally to end all rallies, and plenty of reasons for Tesla bulls to be upbeat about the company's future. For starters, Tesla's success has instilled confidence in its investors. Musk's car maker recently finished its sixth consecutive successful quarter and a first full year in the black, after years of battling to generate a profit. In 2020, the business surpassed Wall Street's delivery predictions in many quarters, manufactured over 500,000 vehicles, and began selling the Model Y, its fifth production vehicle, ahead of schedule. Tesla's production capacity is expected to rise significantly in 2021, according to investors and experts, when new manufacturing factories in Berlin, Austin, Germany, and Texas come up and running. And many believe Tesla's cars will continue to be in high demand, particularly in China, where the EV company has already done extraordinarily well. Tesla also benefits from a broader enthusiasm around electric car stocks, as tighter emissions restrictions throughout the world present a clearer image of a future auto sector dominated by zero and low-emission vehicles. It has maintained its dominance in an electric vehicle industry that is expected to develop significantly in the foreseeable future. A stock split in summer 2020, which made Tesla shares more cheaply to individual investors, despite having little effect on the stock's underlying value, contributed to retail investor excitement. Later that year, Tesla was added to the S&P 500, a de facto vote of confidence from the index committee that obliged funds that monitor the index to acquire the stock. Even if those auxiliary ventures haven't yet materialized, Tesla's largest bulls place a high value on the company's ability to produce money outside of its main vehicle industry. They claim that a future autonomous taxi service, an energy storage unit, and software improvements, such as Tesla's long-awaited full self-driving mode, might enable the firm to achieve revenues previously unheard of in the automobile industry, justifying its present astronomical price. The most interesting factor. There's one more aspect to consider: Elon Musk, the company's outspoken CEO. Through his caustic Twitter account and other ambitious companies like PayPal, Neuralink, and SpaceX, the quirky, meme-loving tycoon has inspired legions of passionate Tesla evangelists and investors. That's something no other car maker possesses, despite some attempts to imitate it. Many contend that Tesla's exorbitant value is unfounded. Despite all of these potential benefits, many experts believe that the Tesla craze is only a bubble that will burst sooner or later. They point out that Tesla's value is entirely out of step with the rest of the car industry by traditional criteria. Tesla has a price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E, of 1,200, which means that for every dollar of profits, it has a market capitalization of $1,200. Ford has a P/E of 22.74, while General Motors has a P/E of 17.84. Tesla also doesn't sell nearly as many cars as the competition, whose valuation it currently dwarfs. Last year, Tesla sold slightly under 500,000 cars worldwide. In the United States alone, GM sold more than 5 times that much in 2020, while Ford sold about 800,000 F-Series trucks. Tesla's margins aren't that different from the rest of the industry, and Tesla is certain to face greater competition from other automakers joining the EV field, according to Wall Street analysts suspicious of the company's value. However, industry observers are divided about Tesla's chances. Some anticipate it will continue to rise, while others advise investors to stay away from it at all costs. In a letter to clients late last year, JP Morgan analysts stated the stock is mostly driven by speculative fervor. You may tinker with the figures any way you like, the analyst stated, but one or the other of the needed assumptions appears to be very impossible to envision in any imaginable situation. Tesla shares are not merely overpriced, but substantially so, in our opinion, and by practically every traditional indicator. Musk is selling a 10% share in the electric car company, a move that has led Tesla stock to plummet but is nearly complete. Musk recently stated that he has sold enough shares to achieve his objective. There are a few more tranches to go, but we're almost there, he tweeted. According to regulatory filings, Musk sold approximately 934,000 Tesla shares for $928.6 million to meet tax withholdings. In addition, he exercised almost 2.1 million Tesla stock options. He now has 177 million shares of Tesla stock in his possession. Despite semiconductor shortages and a supply chain bottleneck, Tesla posted third-quarter earnings that exceeded expectations. Adjusted profits per share increased by 145% year-over-year to $1.86 per share. This was better than the $1.62 consensus expectation. According to FactSet, sales increased 57% to $13.76 billion, meeting forecasts. In the third quarter, it delivered 241,300 automobiles, above analyst expectations of 232,000. Shipments increased by 20% from the previous quarter and 73% from the previous year. Furthermore, Tesla car deliveries in China increased by 44% to 133,218 from the previous quarter. The company's third quarter results were released on October 20. Analysts on Wall Street continue to be optimistic about Tesla's prospects. In a letter to clients on November 18, Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives boosted his price objective for TSLA shares to $1,400 from $1,000. According to Ives, China remains the linchpin of the broader bull thesis on Tesla. In 2022, he expects that China will account for 40% of Tesla deliveries. In a letter to clients, Ives said, "We anticipate 2022 will be an inflection point for the EV market as the scene is prepared for enormous consumer demand in the year ahead." RBC Capital Markets analyst Joseph Spock recently increased his Tesla stock price objective to 950 from 800 with a sector perform rating. After boosting expectations for Tesla deliveries, Spock did so. While the chip shortage remains a persistent drag on the EV market, based on our latest Asia supply chain checks, this dynamic is clearly reducing for the next 3 months and will shift from a negative to a tailwind for the total EV sector in 2022, noted Wedbush analyst Ives. Tesla has substantially boosted its manufacturing capability over the years. Furthermore, in the next 10 years, the company hopes to produce 20 million electric vehicles. So, clearly, Musk is on a quest to significantly increase its production capacity. Tesla's Berlin factory will open shortly, but manufacturing won't begin until 2022. Last Monday, Tesla informed European Model S and Model X order holders that deliveries in foreign markets will begin in the second part of 2022. It is being said that when Tesla started making cars in Germany, they say it will compete in the electric automobile market with 3 well-known German brands. 1. BMW, BMW YY. 2. Volkswagen Group, VWAGY. 3. Daimler AG's Mercedes-Benz division DDAIF. In addition to its Chinese rivals, Ford Motor (F) and General Motors (GM) are important competitors. XPeng and NIO are two of them. Tesla stock has an IBD composite rating of 98 out of 99. According to the IBD stock checkup tool, focus on growth stocks with a composite rating of 90 or above when using the CanSlim investment paradigm to find the best potential rewards. The stock also has a 96 out of 99 relative strength rating. Tesla stock has outperformed 96% of all companies in the IBD database during the last 12 months, according to the rating. It has a D+ accumulation distribution rating. This grade is based on a stock's price and volume movements during the last 13 weeks of trading. A grade of A indicates that there is a lot of institutional buying going on. The lowest grade of E indicates that there will be a lot of selling. Consider the C grade to be impartial. Tesla stock is currently not a good investment. In a cup with a handle, TSLA shares continue strongly above a 764.55 purchase mark. However, since Musk said that his sale is almost complete, the stock has risen, crossing the 50-day line, which is a favorable indicator. However, it still has to increase 15% more before breaking out, with a buy point of 1,243.59. If you're looking to purchase large-cap stocks, you'll discover technical analysis of prominent large caps in these articles to determine if they're in or near a good buy zone. You'll also get alerts to warning indications and sell signals that indicate when it's time to cash in on your gains or cut your losses short. You'll also learn whether the present stock market trend is favorable for stock purchases or whether it's time to take defensive action and sell. Check current market circumstances and utilize IBD Stock Checkup to discover if your stock passes the most significant fundamental and technical criteria before making any investing choices. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.